how to use BDO Business Online Banking. Now, the reason why I'm currently using my laptop or PC, especially with the Google Chrome browser, is for you to be able to have a better or a wider view on what we are currently doing. Now, for you to go ahead and get started, you'll just have to go to the BDO.com's official website, which is going to be here. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll have to apply one and create a fresh account. Now, BDO Business Online Banking is about products, deals, cards, the digital banking that we're talking about, properties, insurance, loans, and savings. Now, for you to go ahead and use all these features, you must create or open an account. So there are actually two things or two fields that you can do, either personal or business. So we're talking about business, so just get into the business tab. Now for the business tab, for you to be able to apply, just visit this website and then you can go ahead and get started. It's either going to be our corporate financing, business services, investment banking, international desk, institutional trust management, BDO securities, corporate cards, or corporate insurance. Now you'll just have to choose and click on the specific option you preferred for you to be able to have or to go ahead and create an account. So that's it. That's how easy you can use your BDO business digital banking online.